Welcome to City of Durban here in South Africa. My name is Aubrey Rambau from GTO Operations in Durban. And along with my colleagues, we are going to narrate our journey on sustainability and the approach that we took to introduce renewable energy as well as water conservation here in Durban plant operations.
Thank you, Aubrey. Hello all, I'm Narayanan. When the group launched the sustainability targets, we took it very seriously and we started engaging with all the stakeholders. This engagement is the highlight of all what we have done, and we had a great participation and contribution from all the stakeholders in this journey. Our first focus was to work on optimizing the energy and then introduce renewables in our operations. One of the main themes was to implement LED lights in all the areas of the plant. We also actually introduced smart devices like occupancy sensors. We also did some daylight harvesting of the energy to switch off some lights when we had enough natural light. And we did this in 2 steps towards the end of 2020 and in 2021. We had actually estimated that this will give us about 22% energy reduction. While we were doing the optimization, we had scanned the market for renewable energy solutions in South Africa, and we understood that the solar PV system is the most practical solution that we can implement. Today in the group, we believe that partnership is the next leadership. Our engagement with the suppliers gave us the right perspectives, and we quickly introduced power monitoring to see what is the size of the system, what we should have. We had started the sourcing process, and we signed our power purchase agreement with the selected supplier on the 1st of April 2022 with the target to start the solar energy generation from 31st of July.
Thanks, Narayan. I'm Muson Jangasen, working with Quality VPS Environment Function in the plant. The installation we have is a very modern one where GTO's commitment to safety is reflected. We have close to 500 meters of walkway and safety line along the full length of the safe working and maintenance of the solar system. We have pressurized water for cleaning and the panels time to time. We are very happy that the cost of this renewable energy is only 65% compared to that of fossil fuel energy. We are actually saving about 40% of the cost of energy per truck produced. This clearly shows that being climate positive is not costly, but it can be also a very good positive business case.
While we were implementing the PV system, we were also preparing for our water conservation work in the Durban plant. We worked on increasing the backup of our water supply and also started to work on collecting the rainwater to have the right solution. Our goal was to reduce the consumption of the only water supply, which is the municipal water supply we have, by about 30% on an annual basis.
Hello everyone, this is Itobi Ngalane, responsible for engineering and maintenance. The rainwater that will be collected will pass through filtration and right levels of treatment and to be used only for sanitization purposes, keeping in mind the requirements of water quality for our products. With this installation, we have about 7 days of water backup for the entire plant. This has just been implemented and is still under monitoring, but we have already collected approximately 80,000 liters of rainwater so far.
These days, we in Durban plant are happy whether the sun shines or we get the rain. We benefit anyway. Year 2022 has been very busy year for Durban plant. In the middle of a very high volume production, we also managed to roll out important activities in our sustainability roadmap. We believe that Durban is very well connected to the Volvo Group, GTO and international manufacturing ambitions on sustainability. What I really like is we have a stepwise approach, and this is a journey. We have to follow what we have done and continue our journey on all aspects of sustainability. We would like to take this opportunity to thank our stakeholders, partners, and our central function colleagues whose contribution is what we see in our work today.